Hello everyone, so I'm inside Dollar Tree and I have not seen any of these cute little signs. Look at the gingerbread on here and the details. Super cute. Have you seen any others with maybe a different print? There's a whole bunch of new signs here that I haven't seen anywhere else. Christmas tree. Oh, look at this, a vintage Santa. And the hot cocoa bar one is new to me. I haven't seen any of these signs. This one I think we have. Someone was asking if they have stockings, and they do. They even have the stocking holders along the top. Oh, they have some cute bags. I'm going to go take a look in that area too. They have cards here for Christmas. But I'll finish up this aisle first before I head over there. Oh, these are hard to come across these days. So there's the red and the white, and then obviously the red, white, and green. Wow, this Dollar Tree is fully stocked with the white balls, unless they just put them out again. But the other stores I've been to, completely cleared out of them. These are cute too because they're metal. I actually like this little red one. It's got that vintage feel. They're pretty much sold out of the floral picks. You just see this bottom row here, but I wanted to just take a look at the little metal tins for cookies. I don't know. Oh, I like the top of this one. It is so cute. I just wish that it wasn't with the little handle. Just put out a few new types of boxes or, like card holders. So this one here is a little card holder and it has a nice Velcro on the front. Cute. Even the sides here have a detail. And then a little bike, a snowman. Oh, these are the full-size boxes. This is supposed to have a lid. So I was only able to find this set at one specific Dollar Tree, and none of the other ones had them. So I do like them for making little embellishments for my paper crafts. I think that they're really great little prints and reasonably priced. Oh, I haven't seen this in a couple years. This was really popular. And they have some different wood that I haven't seen at other locations. Oh, I haven't seen this either. Lots of little die cut pieces. This is probably just restocked. These go really fast. They have some nice craft options here if you want to do something. And then lots of ribbon. The ornaments, the clear ornament balls. They have quite a great selection. The little sled is super cute. And these, oh my gosh, I've seen some beautiful transformations. People have even put them on top of their advent calendars. Oh, I think these bags are sweet. You put a little gift card in them and a little treat. And there's 3 per pack. They have a ton of solar stake lights. By the way, does anyone know what's in the little crackers this year? I was thinking of grabbing a box for the kiddos. I'm not sure. They have some cute different prints, but it doesn't tell you what's in the boxes. Normally on the back you get to see what comes in them, but this one's cute. It's got a little rainbow too. It's funny, these are metal. Great if you're putting together like a nice cookie dish and then you can cellophane wrap it. It will be beautifully presented. But I only spotted these metal trucks last year at this specific store. And here they are again, but not at any other Dollar Tree I've visited. Have you seen them on your outings? Oh, this one's a camper. It's kind of hard to see. Some cute prints, but no gingerbread men like I spotted at the other stores. It's so fascinating to me how different each store is. That's why some of you in the comments say, I don't see any of the things you've shown, or because every store I go to is so different. Oh, by the way, have you found any wooden nutcrackers this year? I think they're all plastic. This is metal as well. And some really cute plushy socks. So if you need an extra little stocking stuffer, they're really quite perfect. I mean, what kiddos don't like plushy socks for the winter time? Oh, look at this one, has a little gingerbread print. And polar bears. So cute. This has to be the cutest elf display ever. So I didn't realize there was a back end to this unit. So I shared some things on the other side, and now there are some more on this side. And again, tags that I have not spotted anywhere else. So I really like these. Then they have the gold, which is cute too if you're doing that. These I've spotted in other places. And then they have these little boxes, which are super cute. I just don't know what you're putting in them. Are you guys putting anything specific in them? Any ideas? Jewelry, maybe? These are really pretty too. So nice and neutral. A super quick walk through the kids' aisle here. So they have some of those LOL trading card game. And then lots of little toys here and there. Sometimes you find some brand name things. Funny little dolls. I know some of you are transforming, what is it called? Transformation of the little dollies. What is this? Catapult. Anyways, a lot of you transform those little dolls for Halloween, I think. These are new. Oh my gosh, Wall-E. Have you watched this movie? There's Toy Story. There's Bo. Oh, and Coco. I recognize some of these, and they have a whole bunch of like little superhero Avenger type figures. Turtles. Takes me right back to the 90s turtles. What is this? Oh, it's like one of those little dig a fossil. Oh, these were really popular. You kind of stick the foil sheet down to the sticky paper. And we have the Monopoly board game. This is a great value because it has 72 wood pieces. I know a lot of you do DIYs with them as well. I've shared a few DIYs on the channel using them as well. I'm so excited to share with you, but these are all back in stock for a long time. These were out of stock, and I was starting to get a little bit worried because I don't know if you remember, a few years ago I purchased something similar to this without a lid, and they're stackable. These are great too, and the quality of the plastic's so much better. It's just a little bit more durable. It doesn't crack so easily. These are cute for making baskets as well, like gift baskets. You can put a piece of cardboard along the bottom and then just cellophane wrap it so that you have a base in the inner part of the basket. They have the laundry baskets that work pretty great if you're making a nice big hamper. So many wonderful baskets here at Dollar Tree, or organization as well. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today. And until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.